Hello folks, you join me down at one of the units with one of the Land Rovers, one I dragged out of the garden a couple of years ago that's on its way to being done. This is just a welcome back. I've been away for a little while, sorting out a project, a side project I do with gin, so I do that, but and I also sold Ogre. I don't know if you've seen on Instagram, but I sold Ogre, which was a very sad moment. But anyway, I needed to free up the money to put into another little project. But anyway, I've got another unit coming in about 6 weeks, a bigger one. So I'll be putting all the projects in there. We've got about 6 projects. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hand me over to me up on the downs at the highest point of the island, with a final goodbye to my beloved Ogre. And then we will jump to a video of, I've been given a 1973 or 4 Vanden Plus 1300, and I'm going to save that, so that'll be coming over here as well. So we'll jump from the Ogre video to that one and then finish, and that'll be the end of that video. So I just wanted to fill you in. It's a bit of a bit parts sort of video. I've been away for a few months, but I've been very busy on other projects, and once I get my new workshop, we'll be all in one place and be able to make more videos. But until then, I will say goodbye. Enjoy up on the downs of Ogre, and enjoy me and Josh resurrecting, or trying to resurrect, and trying to get a garage door open after 30 years. And I will see you on the next video, hopefully in the new workshop. Hello YouTube. Today's a sad day for me. As you've probably seen my other videos, I fix and mend and put together piles of rust which are Land Rovers, and I have so many projects and so many things that I want to do, touring and stuff like that, that something had to give, and unfortunately it's my beloved Ogre. You've probably seen her in many of the videos. We've done Scotland, abroad, we've just come back from Cornwall. You've probably seen many of the pictures on Instagram of the roof tent. Well, unfortunately she's been sold, and I brought her up to the highest point on the island for one last drive before she goes on Saturday morning. Now Ogre's been with me 10 years. We got married in Ogre. The kids have grown up with Ogre, but she's just not doing the mileage that she deserves. She needs to go on to someone who's going to use her. I have too many projects. I need to get on with some of them projects, get some of them finished. So I've took the very, very hard decision to say goodbye to my beloved Land Rover. So I'll give you one last tour around, and we'll start at the front here. I got Ogre some 10 years ago, as I said, and I took off all the horrible stuff that Land Rover equip them with, like the front bumper is now an uproar one. We have LED headlights, we have Optimil stuff, gore bits, stuff like that. We have uproar side steps and side bars, terra firma vented discs all round, new set of Land Rover wheels. The front bumper was the rear bumper was handmade by me, because I wanted to keep the corners to stop them getting damaged, so I completely fabricated that one myself. She's got 7 seats. I added the seats from Exmoor trim. Got little tiny bits like the Optimil bits. Optimil, fantastic. It's got the Optimil vents on it instead of them horrible plastic ones. It's got the Optimil window squirters, which is fantastic.
So it's had probably £15,000 worth of extras over the years. If you look back at the Instagram stuff, you can see the kind of evolving of Ogre. Even on the inside we have the pumpkin entertainment with reversing camera and big screen and stuff like that. So yeah, she's had some work done over the years. I'll see you back down there. But because of all the projects I've got, although it is a lovely view up here like today, this is the highest point of the island. Hopefully you can get some idea of that lovely view. So that's it. My final drive in my beloved Land Rover. After 10 years, she has not let me down one single beat. It's been an absolutely fantastic truck. Love it to bits. We'll never forget her, but times have to move on sometimes, and it's going to pull on the old heartstrings on Saturday morning. But hopefully the new owner will love her as much as I did, and on to a new home. So thanks for watching, and you might see me back in the garage working on an old pile of rust on one of the other Land Rovers. But for now, see you later. Hello to YouTube, welcome back. You join me at a secret location here on the Isle of Wight, and I'm currently trying to break it. I'm not breaking in, I'm trying to get into a garage. I've spent 3 days trying to find the correct key. If I turn you over, you can see all the keys I've been using, and I've been given a car that's been in the garage for 30 years. So I've eventually found the right key. So this will be the first time this door has been opened in some 20 odd years. So we're going and have a little look. So I'll come back to me in a second. Right, let's open this up and see what we've got inside. Apparently there's a nice old classic car in here. Hang on a minute. Come back to me in a minute. Right, door opening, take 2. I've kicked, banged, pushed, and we got it. Oh, not again. Headbutt, that done it. Classic car is there. It's been in here some years. 1995. As the last time it was taxed, 1995. So let's do the reveal. It is a Vanden Pla. Oh, some nasty bits and bobs here going on. There's the grille. I have no idea what state it's in. I've been given it anyway. So let's have a walk around. We'll get the covers off. The hydrospastic elastic suspension is definitely failed on it. I don't know what critters are going to come running out. Lots of spiders. Well, the roof's held up okay. Surface rust on the door there. Dare I take this off? very, very low. Don't know how we're going to get that on the trailer, so we're going to have to get the wheels up in the air, I think. And there's a bit of surface scab on it, but there's a door there. I don't think it'll start after 30 years. But wow, that interior. Look at that headlining. It's absolutely amazing. Them seats are as good as the day it come out the factory. They're amazing. And not only that, she's auto. Oh my God, help me. She's lowrider at the moment. She's lowrider style. All the wood's in good nick. Wow, look at that. Tiny bit of mould on that back seat, but that headlining is absolutely amazing. All the door cards are excellent condition. What we're looking at, 36,000 miles. Full service history, Isle of Wight car. All little chrome handles here. You can get a back door open. Excuse me if the camera works all over the place, but it's locked in case it gets peached. So, that interior is amazing. Let's have a look, see what's going on in the engine department. Wow. Wonder if it's seized or not. Oh, looks like it's had some vermin got in here, made a little winter nest. I don't know, is it? A small nest of it is, but anyway. Well, there it is. Well, there you go. Been stood there for 30 years. And we're going to extract it, we'll assess it, and then we will hopefully we might do it up and put it on the road, because it's not too bad. I don't know what the underneath's like. It's going to have to go on the ramp and have a look, but first initial thoughts, the interior is amazing, absolutely incredible. So yeah, that's the initial one. Come back for part 2 when we extract it after 30 years and get it back to the unit. So for now, see you in a minute. Good morning, day 2 of the rescue of the Vanden Plus that's been here for 30 years. We're going to do a few little jobs today so we can obviously move it out. Them being trying to get it off the ground. It's about that height at the moment because the hydrospastic suspension is down. Obviously there's a fault there. We're going to check the engine back while you're there. More than likely it is solid as a rock. So what we do, we take the plugs out, squirt some stuff down there. We will try and get it jacked up, and we will get the wheels spinning, see if the air takes any tyres take any air. Air takes any tyres. What kind of madness is that? The tyre takes any air. We get them spinning, so when we move it, it's freely rolling. So for now, we're gonna have a good clear up, put on masks, gloves. There's lots of vermin poo around, and have a good clean up, so we've got a bit more cleanliness to work with, and I'll come back to you in a minute. Okay, as you see, we're up in the air now. Loads and loads of crap underneath, but we have turning wheels, this one and this one. The tyres are actually holding air, so they're free. Just got to try and work on the back now. So yeah, come back to us in a minute. Right, that's the end of this one, part 2. All the wheels are free, all the tyres are pumped up, engine still seized, but I think that comes down to the clutch because it's all automatic, so that'll have to wait till we get back to the main workshop. But she rolls now, she's ready to go, so the next time you see it, it will be coming out the garage for the first time in 30 years and being shipped over to the main workshop. So that'll be the end of this video, and the next time you see it, it'll be on the move. Until next time, see you later.